Every once in a great while, you find a rare opportunity for that perfect ranch. A unique ranch that offers everything you can ask for, including privacy, abundant water resources, agricultural production, great hunting, and pure beauty. A great business opportunity with multiple income streams, all in a great place to live. A ranch that anyone who gets the luxury of seeing dreams of owning the place themselves. That opportunity is here. Welcome to the Lone Valley Ranch. The Lone Valley Ranch is a rare opportunity to own your own private valley, just minutes outside the small destination communities of Joseph, Oregon and Wallowa Lake, both known to be among the most desirable places in all of Oregon. Here you find events such as rodeos and concerts on a nearly weekly basis. The ranch totals 5,076 acres, with approximately 420 acres of irrigated farmland and over 4,600 acres of productive grasslands within the Zone-Walt Prairie. This offers opportunities for an efficient cattle operation. With the summer range contiguous to the farmland, this makes the property a complete ranch. The Lone Valley Ranch has recently seen many improvements. This ranch has been set up to be efficient, requiring minimal labor. Trophy whitetail bucks are regularly harvested on the ranch. Rocky Mountain elk are also abundant. Rainbow trout can be found in the 3 streams running through the ranch. This opportunity will not last long. Contact Caleb Howard with Land Leader today.